Okay, it's time to tell the story. I was sailing about all the world about it, and then we having a sailing boat. And then I came home again,
Good job!
and now I'm back for good. I'll never get in a boat again.
Dad, do you miss the sea well?
Sometimes. Who is it?
Hello, guys.
I can your dad coming out to play. What? I'm here. So, we're going on a fishing trip. On a boat. On a sea. Okay, let's go.
But Dad, you say you'll never get in a boat again.
Oh, alright. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Well, there they go, off with the boat, without me.
What are we going to do now, Dad?
Well, I don't know, Liliana. Maybe we can clean the seaweeds off the house.
You don't clean seaweeds off your houses, Dad.
No, of course not. But this is my boat. Are you sure your boat are safe, Grumpy Cat? Of course I saved. I built it myself. Or we don't need this. Come on, boys, let's go. I love going fishing. Me too. So what do you need for a fishing trip? You mean fishing rods? No, a picnic basket. So, are you steering the boat, Grumpy Ted? Yeah, but I'm not steering the boat. I know really is was. Uh-oh, no one was steering the boat. And we're lost to sea. And look, Grumpy Ted boat is sinking. Don't panic. But I have a worse situation from this. Really? No, this is the worst. We're saved! But we're stuck at the desert island. We're just a sea of the sky for company. But they haven't got any food. Oh, how about a chocolate bar? Good, so we can save the chocolate as soon we get hungry later. Oh no! Grumpy Ted have eaten all the candy. What this terrible place will be stuck? Is anyone else having missing watermelon? So we only been here 5 minutes, Grumpy Ted. I know. So I better put the mark of the sand for every time I dig about watermelon. So maybe we can call for help. Call for help? That's the great idea, Larry. Help!
What was that?
That was the call of the sea. Something is in trouble.
What are we going to do?
We can rescue them. Greg Dad to the rescue! So we can use the boat. Wait a minute. I said I'll never get in a boat again.
Dad, they need to rescue them.
You're right, just this one. I shall sail again. Alright guys, let's go! All our food is gone. There's nothing left to eat. There must be something to eat. Ahoy there! Hooray! We're saved! Then ahoy! Everybody off the boat. Farewell, everybody. See you in a few weeks.
Dad, what are you going?
Me? I was just thinking of sailing around the world again.
But Dad, you're not a sailor anymore.
No, of course not. Leave the sailing to us, Captain.
Yes, when you get lost again, we can rescue them. I am so glad that's over, Captain.
Well, thank you. Wow, that's my captain.